Nữa mà chỉ xét tiệt hai bông ớn đi cứ chỉ lực tí pi hai để khi mà chia ta xe lực ní mà chỉ mới bộ mà xe kền quật thầm ở đây khai xe khám ấy.
Okay, let's go for 1 hour.
Okay, 1 hour ta lấy chi ta xe.
But wow, this is huge.
Yep. Thầm xe kền thầm. Nhưng mà chôn quế cầm quế khăn cõi á, quế khăn một. Quế khăn cõi mở thôi một bà kê đây. So, chết đâu quế khăn một. Saan mất. Không nè, hello. Tầm là này nữa. Patek, một patek. Này thái chiếu này. Ui chùm móc tuấn á, bé. Leather thế nè. Bay từng on. Ui mơ. Ui smooth mình tên mơ. Thọt hay sả đó nè. Ní bà hầm phải bón đó nè. 20,000.
I don't know, but it's so chubby.
Scar rồi nè. Xong rồi tịnh nè. Này thòng ạch.
Cái thằng là
thòng trò ạch. Trò ạch tại vì đã sẽ bọ trô trong thòng.
lệ nó khơi tạm lâu rồi cái tịnh. Tạm lâu nhưng ba la mình.
Thì chắc bán đâu bán phải lệ trô trong tạm lâu đó.
Ai lang mày tao?
Lớn à, lần tam cái đá đó.
Mình làm cái đấy hả?
Ở đây lần tam nè. Lần tam nè. Chờ dừng lần tam đấy. Bây giờ lần bàn muốn dự bàn quỳ không một.
Dần.
Bây giờ coi cái dừng quỳ à coi từ hay mơ em khơi thế. Hả đây. Let's go. Một trường. Tại sai. Tại cầu sọc máy. Anh đi màถ่ายtại sai mình tên. Bueno. Không mình tên.
Không mà.
Thông mà đi. Chùm mà đi.
Dạ. Rung của chân
à. Một trường ô thông mình tên. Anh ấy thông chưa? Mình theo nó chết.
Chưa hay thông chưa tiền. Khi mà trường với ảnh đi. Trường với ảnh đi. Anh ốp pi mà phải ảnh đi mua. Trường rồi.
Trường thông. Thông mình tên. Để ách vậy. Ách. Nhưng đã lên tật ách.
Yên tùm liên hay mày.
Nhưng giờ hay đã chọn tật ách.
Yên tùm liên.
Đánh lên chọn ách tật tiện. Tật ách tiện.
Anh ấy là bộ ách lấy yến sẽ yên êm.
Đó là ách xét nó ngập xìệp. Tại cái sao thế nè.
Yep.
Dạ, mùi xe mùi nó cua.
Tiệm bài trơn chứ. Tiệm bài trơn đây rồi.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cái chua theo lối. Anh ấy sọ cái gì chìa ớt sâu vền để nó sọ bị vền.
Nó sao tên hả?
Nó thông một tên. How much are those horses?
How much it costs? Anywhere. Okay, those two right now, they would be around 10,000.
Spinning his Cheerios.
Right, Rob? Those are buffet. All you can eat.
Yeah, that's right.
Now, if you look in this lane here, you'll see this Amishman coming out with his horses.
Oh,
So
he's working his
He's working his head.
Oh.
And that's the head. That's one on his shop back there.
Oh, he's gonna apply this one.
where?
Oh wait, I'm turning around. Wait.
Look at him working.
Oh, this is amazing.
Do you see them actually doing it?
They're rigging that together. They'll probably build out today or tomorrow yet.
He looks young.
Well, he's about 14 years old.
He's about 14?
14, yeah. Just finished school yesterday. Just
You mean
finished
the
school
driver
today.
or the horse?
The driver, he's young. So he's done with school. He's working on the farm, huh?
Well, that's why they only go to 8th grade, so they can work on the farm.
Oh.
And what's happening with the younger kids? Are they staying? Are they leaving?
What's your question?
Are the younger kids hanging around and sticking around with farming and all that?
They move on.
Yeah, they're hanging around, but they don't go out and break hay much younger than that. So here's this hay here. Like they'll cut this 5 times this year yet.
And he
Versus corn, that's only once and done per year.
Lặng lư này.
dừng slide.
Beautiful babe. Look at that. ស្អាតមែនទែនបងប្អូនអើយ
យើងបានមកលេងស្រុកស្រែ
បានមកលេងស្រុកស្រែអាមេរិក ស្រុកស្រែនៅអាមេរិកស្អាតដែរណា
អត់មានផ្សេងកូនក្មេងរត់
បងក្មេងរត់អត់មានប្រដាប់ជើង
ខោ
ស្រោតខោស្រោតអោអត់មានទេឬមានតែស្មៅឲ្យស្ងាត់ជ្រាប
Sat men. Du har inte använt bara nästa år.
អត់មានអត់ឃើញមក I thought a chicken coop but I don't see no chicken
I don't know with fully.
right
Did I tell you how many Amish people live here at Lancaster County yet?
no not yet
They say around between 40 and 45,000.
This county?
There's Lancaster County here, but that's up north of down south is probably around 50 miles. So they're all scattered out.
Is the population staying the same or is it dropping?
Pardon me?
For the Amish, are they keeping pretty much the same number of people or is it dropping in number?
But it's not.
Is it increase or decrease of people?
Yeah, it's increasing.
Increasing?
But a lot of Amish are moving upstate New York and out to Indiana and down to Missouri and Kentucky and Maryland, Virginia. So the land wouldn't be available here to where everybody farms, but not near everybody's farming. I'd say only about 20% of Amish here in Lancaster County are farmers. So a lot of shops, like that shop back there, you see, a lot of furniture shops, a lot of crafts and toys. A lot of Amish are doing construction work, building houses and barns. Now, since we only have this 8th grade education, there's no real Amish doctors, no lawyers, no policemen, no airplane pilots, none like that.
oh this is a cow farm
It's not a dairy cow, they got beef cows there.
oh okay so what's that guy doing over there in the front
Okay, here's where we're gonna pull over and we'll take a tour of this farmland.
hello what is it goat maneuver right here what is it just cow manure
Maybe near on maybe flex more clean I think.
មានអត់ដែរ buck chip and chip and buster right
Okay, I'm tying my horses and we'll get out, take a little tour here.
Okay.
That tree is big.
នៅអត់ដើមនេះគេហៅផ្កាស្អីប៉ា
កាក់បកាក់ស្នោ
Okay.
អានេះបកាក់
That's near.
មកកាក់ខ្មោចយកអីមិនមែនទេហ្នឹងឯង
ផ្កាកៀងឆ្ងាញ់ហើយចិត្តតែគ្រឿងហើយ
ដល់ញ៉ាំបង
ជូរ
ជូរ
ជូរឆ្ងាញ់
ជូរជូរ
តែគ្រឿងបញ្ឆៅ
នំចុកគ្មានអត់មានសំណាងហើយ
ពេលទៅកលីចាំមកឲ្យញ៉ាំ
អូខេ
มีไปปีลาเรียนดอกเกียนหนักมีเมียนอ่า
Thank you. Farm.
I don't think the people look or something. Okay, we'll go here for one minute. That first piece of equipment there was a hay bind. That's what cuts the hay out in the field. So it's wide. Then what he was doing out there, he was raking this together in the road. So then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this hay baler here. So we'll get back there. Okay, that's why he was raking the hay, so it comes together. So this goes down like that, and it picks that hay off the ground. Everybody see it? That is heavy. Got it? Thank you.
Look at that. That smell.
Put the horses in here, in the first part, like the pin, and puts it in there. So there's somebody driving the horses and mules. Then back here, they put a wagon back here. See that wagon there? Then they put the wagon tongue in here, put another pin in there. So there's somebody driving the baler. Then there's somebody back here, the wagon, catching these bills as they come off. Now there's two different kinds of bills in here. See back there? They're 500-600 pound bales. That takes another machine to build this. Over there's 40-pound bales. So that's what this baler is going to do here. She's going to build these bales here. Then there's somebody going to be back there catching the bales and stacking them up. There'll be about 100 bales on that wagon. So it's loaded. There's about 4 or 5 bales high. Then these bigger bales, that takes a different hay baler, different machine, and they don't handle them by hand. They use that, like that skid steer out there. Now this barn was built back in 1860s, they say.
1860?
Yeah, 1860.
Wow.
So how they got them big beams up there, I don't know. There's a lot of muscle power.
1860. Wow.
Then
Pretty good.
up ahead here you see that they have round rafters.
Yeah.
They put an addition to the barn here, they said back in 1970s.
You got pigeons living up there. Pigeons.
Pigeons. Yeah, they got a lot.
You can see it on the floor and everything.
So they want more cows,
Uh-huh.
so they built the barn bigger. Now 4 years ago, they sold the cows. They don't milk cows here anymore.
No?
Now they raise a lot of hay here and straw. Last fall, this barn was just about packed with hay and straw, so he sold a lot to his neighbors and dealers and stuff. Instead of making money by selling the milk, he sells the hay and straw.
Okay. What is in that white bags?
That's hay.
That's hay? Okay.
They can cut that hay one day, the next day they can bale it and wrap it. It stays nice and green. Now what they're doing out there, that hay's been cut 3 or 4 days ago, so they want that nice green for the put it in the barn.
And why do you want green hay versus hay that's been sitting
Well, Cows just love the green hay.
I was gonna say the animals like that better.
Yeah.
And those of us for Halloween want the dry stuff.
Right.
You'll have to have it nice and dry before you put it in the corn over.
Right,
You
yeah.
get molded. You can wrap it in that bag there and it don't get molded.
Silent.
Silage. They put the corn silage in there. The stalk, the ears, and the leaves and everything gets chopped up in half-inch pieces. See, there's the outside pipe here, about 9 inches in diameter.
Yeah.
So it takes a tractor and a machine to cut that corn up. Then it has a drum in the back. This machine has a drum in the back. Then it has a propeller in there that spins about 400 or 500 revolutions per minute. Then it shoots it out of that pipe.
Oh.
That silo, they say, is only 65 feet high.
How do you get in? Like,
How what?
how do you like take the food out? Is there a door? You just go and just grab it?
There's
or-
doors inside there where you have to fork it out then. With the fork.
Can you see?
You have to fork it out with the fork, yeah. You have to get it at the top.
That's
And
a.
there you see some numbers on that hay bale.
Uh-huh.
When the farmer can cut hay one day, and about a month later he cut it again. So he gets 5 cuttings in 1 year. So there, where you see the 3, that's probably the 3rd cut, and then the 4 is probably
He's almost done.
See, there's a skid steer. That's what they use for them big bills, to handle them big bills. But they're too heavy for manual. So outside, you see that ladder there? That's to climb up the top. See how full the silos get. Anyone want to try it?
That looks scary.
No.
That looks.
I used to be able to do it, but
Got
I get too dizzy now.
So you get wiser. You
Wow.
say, no, I don't need
Yeah.
to do that
Don't
anymore.
need to do that.
You climb up there without any straps when you were younger?
Yeah.
That's tall. That's crazy.
Yep. You're supposed to hang on.
To their life, yes.
It says 65, 65 feet high.
65 feet high. There you go.
Okay, here's a calf kennel. When a baby calf is born, she's only with her mother about 3 days.
Oh.
Then they take them out there and bottle feed them. Then they have to feed them twice a day with milk replacer. So then they're in there about 2 months.
Con cô. Con cô កាត់ព្រាមគេប្របែកចំម៉ែព្រាមយកមកដាក់ក្នុងនេះមិនចឹងមិនដឹងប្រហែល
So that don't look quite as dangerous as outside.
So this is the inside, huh?
Got doors in there where you take the doors out. So,
It doesn't get moldy. Like
what's that?
the crop that's in there, it doesn't get moldy because of the weather, the element.
How's that?
The crops that's in there, and
Oh,
it doesn't
corn.
get it doesn't get moldy.
No, it don't get molded. No, it's packed down real good that don't get molded. Electricity. So they have this diesel engine for power.
Okay.
So then they used to milk cows, so they had a milker pump in there and then cooling compressor to cool the milk down within 36, 38 degrees within an hour. So that's what they used, that diesel engine cooling compressor. Now they use it for air compressor yet. So they use compressed air for power, like the pump the water out of the well. Now down here we got a little down here.
Oh, dogs. Uh-huh. It's up. Uh-huh. Oh, the dogs are like happy here.
This is what called loafing pen.
Oh, that one just.
Here the animals can get in under the rain and the cold and out of the sunshine and loaf around.
Oh, those cows are huge.
So most of these are beef cows. There you see that black one there. black and white one.
Uh-huh.
That's a Holstein. These are Angus cows out here.
Okay. How about this big one right here?
Well, she'll be a cow. I think she is a cow now, but they probably don't milk her. Okay.
You said this one is Angus? That's Angus?
Angus, yeah.
Angus.
So how long between the time that they're born until they get sent to the slaughter?
About 2 years.
So 2 years, okay.
So they're grown up and
How big would that be?
I
Within
think
2
around
years.
1,100, 1,200.
1,200 pounds. Okay. And so do the Amish actually slaughter and butcher here, or do they?
Yeah, there's some
What time's that
that have
stuff?
slaughter
Okay.
butcher shops, yeah.
Yeah.
That make a business of it. Years ago, my dad, they used to do their own butchering,
Yeah.
but now farmers don't have time to take it to a butcher shop.
Right.
A lot of them.
Yeah.
There's Amish butcher shops that do it. All kinds of beef and pork and venison, stuff like that.
Oh.
Here we got our dogs here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that one is bored.
In here, this used to be the milk house. They got a dog in here now. It's a little smelly, but we don't spend much time in here.
Ooh, yeah, you're right.
This is the milk machine here.
Oh, this one.
That's what they put on the cow's tit, you know, and put in and out. Then they had the bulk tank in here that held 1,600 gallons, where they dump the milk in and cool the milk down. There's one little puppy in there somewhere.
Oh, there's two of them. Two babies. She just gave birth. Oh, three. Aww. Yeah, mama. She seems sweet.
Yeah, they got them in there.
Yeah. Aww.
This is the water heater here. It's propane instead of electric. It used to be, I don't think they use it anymore. Then they got a dog in there and a couple of puppies. There, that bucket back there used to be the milk machine. It holds 80 pounds of milk. So that's pretty heavy.
She looks like she's a good
Okay.
dog.
Out here's the puppies and the doggies and the ponies. The
Oh,
puppies in
they're napping.
4 dogs.
More dog in there?
Uh-huh.
Now, this all used to be a cow stable where they milked the cows. They used to have 60 in here, from here on down to the next wall. Evidently, they didn't make enough money, or they had too much work, and got rid of the cows.
Oh, you scared him? She's beautiful, huh?
So here you see electric light. This comes off the solar panel now. We have it out in the barn, but not in the house. Now over here we got some rabbits and guinea pigs and puppies too.
Aww. I'm sorry. second come. Ooh, you scared me. We're just gonna step back. That'd be too close. Like inside.
Sooner or later, I don't know if you buy one today or not. It's not the day.
Lots of bunnies, huh?
Probably not the day, guys. They're only 3 days.
Natalie would have a fit with all this.
Có lúc pin up.
They go out work.
Oh,
សំបីដាក់ពីដាក់12
ស្អាតស្អាតមែនទែនទៅលក់ថ្លៃថ្លៃណា but
He has 7 around.
Hi mama Hi អូមើលបានឲ្យគ្នាដែរណោះ
Okay, just make it right
ឲ្យចេញ
down.
ដែរណា
Check that view out down there. Are you done?
Huh? Yeah.
Are you done here? So like I said,
Want to pet her?
this is a road horse for the carriage. Go ahead.
Yeah. Hey, ay,
You know, notice?
come on.
I don't see any chicken.
Chicken?
Bird. Yeah, right?
Not yet.
Livestock.
Yeah.
See the long ears? Yeah. Does anybody know where the mules come from? The mules don't breed. They're a cross between a horse and a donkey.
Oh wow, that's a big one too. Huge. This is a big one. Dang.
Pretzel, lemonade, root beer.
Oh, I thought it's a horse, but it's a male instead.
That's the donkey. Well, that's what he was saying. Is
Big old dog.
Yeah.
between the donkey and the horse.
Yeah,
There's a
it's.
hybrid.
Yeah.
I thought it was a horse when I was when I
Just
came
like the
by.
guy that's doing the haze out there because I saw the air. I said, it can't be a horse. There has to be a mule, but
Yeah.
I never seen a
They're
mule that big.
No, I've never seen them that big.
Huge.
It's just, I can only can tell about the air because the air is so...
GMO.
GMO.
Sure, got a smell. Horseshoe. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Last time thinking maybe because not used to it. Chảo. No, you chảo.
Then I'll take this one then.
This is roast horseshoe.
Okay. What kind of cookie is it? Chocolate chip?
Yeah, chocolate chip cookies.
Those are the same, right?
Yeah.
Your cookie mo, eh? Are they?
if you eat not me
Yeah, chả chảo. Tinh buôn
Thank
đỏ.
you.
Push to my gallows.
Yeah.
Slide out there and preset. Sometimes I trampoline out there, but it's warming up here. So,
Oh, the whole family comes and work out here, huh?
okay. Did I tell you about the propane gas? Instead of using electric, they use propane gas for cooking, refrigerators, hot water heaters. Some heat their homes with propane gas too.
So that's a house. That's a barn.
That's a shop here.
A shop.
That's where they make the cookies and the The pretzels
That's
in
a
there.
big shop. Place is beautiful. Chả? Chả đó bông. I'll take our spot back.
Red pepper.
You gotta take the last picture. Hi. There you go. That's a nice tour.
I mean, something new. You know what I mean?
Well, this is new to me too.
and us too.
Last time we just basically on the road and that's
Just
it.
rode by and never got out.
No, bây giờ tay nhà tí phí ăn bàn trầu lên.
Yeah. Oh,
70 or 80.
oh.
70
Okay.
80.
Thank you. Thank you.
I record. Sometimes
So-
I think I'm recording, but I don't.
Anyone want to buy the farm? Anyone want to buy the farm? Anybody?
Once you have money,
To it.
maybe when I have, I need to hit the
Jackpot.
maker.
It would take no money.
But I heard that the farmland is it's not available anymore, right? It's all gone now.
No. 14 years old.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah,
What do you do with that?
they just work on the farm.
So here you see a truck. And up in front you see air conditioners. So that's not Amish.
Okay, so this is. That's a big house though.
That gets pretty smelly. So that gets pretty
Oh, they're
smelly.
spraying out the manure.
Harry Farm over there. Then over here to my right, straight ahead. That's another Amish home, but it's not a dairy farm. So he has a shop outside.
You can smell it. The whole town smells like cow manure.
Đó, tàu Vĩnh 2. We're heading back. We're done with the tour.
Those are goldfish.
Those are goldfish, the koi. I don't see any koi. Koi are big. Different color.
Look at, there's a snake right there. That's a snake.
Oh, there's a snake there.
That little tiny thing.
Up there.
Right.
The head up. No, there's
Yeah.
the
It
head
cannot
up.
be a snake.
It looks like a little branch, but
Yeah,
it's
a
moving
snake.
around.
Yeah, and then there's you got turtle.
Yep.
Where is the snake though?
Yep.
Outside the boat. Do you see my finger? No, it's not.
The snake should be floating.
Yeah, that is the snake.
Oh, let me take a picture and zoom in. Look like little twig floating. See all the flowers? Yeah, no,
No, it's good.
It's out there. It's out.
It's for the girls. You don't order, you just need one. They have a lot of turtle.
No, say urut.
Time for a nice nap, right?
Yeah. No. អានេះគេភ្ជួរដីហ៎ប៉ឬក៏មិនគេធ្វើ
Mới nó về tiền rồi.
អានោះព្រៀនសេះហ៎
Chưa đây. Hay cái áo cái thôi mình làm cho nó thì mình ấy chi.
អ่គេទាញតែខ្សែគេមានខ្សែដូចទាញយើងទាញចូលជើង
Maybe how have that?
យ៉ា
They air dry, like sun dry it.
Uh-huh.
We also learned too, so if you notice the clothes, so see how the dresses and the shirts, it's all one solid color. Like you'll never see patterns. No checkers, no polka dots, no nothing. It's always solid color. Because for their belief, they think that having designs on their clothes is a waste of effort and energy. And so they'd rather use the thread to make more clothes or use the energy to be working the land. So all of their clothes is all one single solid color.
Yeah, I noticed that this girl's shirt.